Sam, what do you think about the OpenAI search engine we're apparently going to find more out about on Monday?
I mean, it's a great headline to put out. In the end of the day, it's that what is the story that OpenAI wants to tell? They want to tell the story that they're in it, that, they weren't just kind of an early mover, but they're going to be able to parry and have impact as the much bigger companies come with much more capital. And we'll see. I mean, again, it's a pretty obvious headline for them to put out. I think that the idea that you put up a page and that somehow revolutionizes the world of search is a little bit antiquated. So we'll see how it plays out.
Deirdre, how does this compare with OpenAI's existing offerings?
I was going to say exactly that. What is it going to look like? Is it going to look like Perplexity, which kind of looks like ChatGPT, which kind of looks like Gemini? I mean, we've seen the rise of these browser pages and now apps that are kind of like search engines, but they're chatbots, right? So I don't know how different it's going to look. And as Sam says, it certainly all does come down to the technology. For users, it's a little different, right? They want somewhere to search. They don't need something perhaps as sophisticated, but certainly the race is on at the most advanced level. Who can produce the most advanced foundational models? Google has it. And the question is whether they can translate that to the consumer side. And, talking to Demis Hassabis, he's really focused on that. He created a hit video game in the 90s. He would say that he knows how to execute. He knows how to sell products. And that's sort of what's at stake for Google next week. They have to show that all of those technological advancements and competitiveness can translate to their massive distribution of products that has billions of users.
And Sam, Deirdre's been pointing out that Google already has this kind of SGE thing going, which maybe you've experienced it too. You Google something, it then kind of prompts you to hit those little drop down arrows, and it's kind of an iterative conversation. Do you think I found it somewhat helpful to use, actually, because it also asks me things I might not be thinking, and maybe I only have a pinky to tap with. Anyway, do you think that can be enough for them to fend off a little bit of this competition to the likes of OpenAI?
I mean, 100%. In the end of the day, again, the other story that's going on Google is, the kind of the disclosures of how much they pay Apple, what the distribution is worth. That's the game, right? And this idea that it's purely a technical thing, I think, is a story that it's a nice story. I don't think it's actually true. I think a lot of this is going to come down to good old business tactics. Who can get the right things in the right flow to get the distribution and get that kind of conversation going? And again, with that, coupled with the fact that Google and a bunch of the other big companies they have incredible tech. My kind of obviously bets are placed here.
And Deirdre, I guess the last thing that I think about, again, from a user experience point of view, is the most powerful thing OpenAI or any of its competitors might do is ultimately to sell themselves or be integrated into something like Siri, so I can just simply voice command instead of having to go and open an app or open their, somewhat complicated page.
Yeah, it goes back to that distribution page or piece of the story, right? So many people have iPhones. They have Siri at their disposal. And that really speaks to another upcoming event in the tech world that's going to be incredibly important, and that is Apple's WWDC. Ahead of that, there's been rumors that it could be partnering with Google and Gemini or OpenAI and ChatGPT. How is it going to leverage its AI? But I think that's where we are in this arms race right now. We've seen the nuts and bolts of it. We've seen the different LLMs, foundational models. The next phase of this is the applications. Who's going to be able to make this part of our daily habits?
All right.